Welcome to our channel, where we're about to embark on a journey to craft a killer business plan in plain English. Buckle up, because this isn't just a document, it's your business's secret weapon for success. So, let's dive right in. Now, before we continue, here's something that'll blow your mind. Imagine a government-registered e-learning platform that's like a treasure chest of trendy digital skills. This place isn't just any ordinary learning hub, it's your golden ticket to the digital world. Whether you're looking to make money online or take your offline business into cyberspace, this platform has you covered. And hold on tight, because there's even more. Now, before we continue, here's something that'll blow your mind. This platform isn't just about learning, it's about earning too. Imagine landing online jobs that let you work from home, setting your own hours. Picture working just 2 to 3 hours daily and getting weekly payments. It's the dream gig you've been waiting for. So, here's the deal, this government-registered e-learning platform isn't just about education, it's your gateway to a world of opportunities. You'll learn skills to make money online, take your business to new heights, and even score online jobs with the flexibility to work from home, all while getting paid weekly. If you want to know more about this incredible platform and how it can change your life, simply click the link in the bio of my Instagram. I'm here to answer your questions, guide you through the process, and help you take that first step towards success. Before we roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty of creating a business plan, let's first get why it's so darn important. Think of it as your business's GPS, but with superpowers. Your business plan is a written roadmap that charts your goals, strategies, and financial dreams. It not only guides your ship but also lures in investors and makes your goals a reality. Plus, it helps you spot and conquer any roadblocks that come your way. Step 1: Dream big, define your vision and mission. Our first pit stop on this journey is to define your vision and mission. Picture your business's future, that's your vision. Now, think about why you exist and what you stand for, that's your mission. These statements give your business a personality and a purpose. Step 2: Sherlock mode, conduct market research. Now, let's put on our detective hats and dive into market research. This step is all about understanding your audience, spying on your competitors, and getting inside your customers' heads. Armed with this intel, you'll be the James Bond of your industry, making strategic moves to dominate the market. Step 3: Craft your blueprint for success. Up next, we're crafting the crown jewels of your business, your products or services. Think about what makes your offerings stand out, why they're better than the rest, and how they'll make your customers' lives awesome. This is the good stuff. Step 4: Paint the town with your marketing plan. Time to paint the town with your marketing plan. Identify your secret marketing weapons, digital, social media, or old-school ads, and lay out your battle strategy. Make sure your message speaks directly to your customers' hearts, like a love letter they can't resist. Step 5: Show me the money, develop a financial plan. Last but not least, let's talk money, your financial plan. It's like the heart of your business. You'll forecast sales, tally up expenses, and set a budget that's as solid as a brick wall. Investors will love you for this part, so be sure to make those numbers dance. Wow, isn't that something? Now you've got the recipe for success, a killer business plan, digital skills from a government-registered e-learning platform, and the opportunity to work online from home. If this sounds like your kind of journey, smash that like button and subscribe because we've got more amazing content coming your way. Get ready to conquer the digital world.